In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Dropbox dark mode. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch to a darker, easier on the eyes look on both the Dropbox website and the desktop app. This is especially helpful if you work late into the evening, prefer higher contrast, or simply want your interface to match a dark system theme. Let's start on the web. Open your browser and go to dropbox.com, then log in to your account. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your avatar, which might be your profile photo or just your initials. Click that avatar to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, hover over Theme. A small panel will appear with options. Select Dark Mode. The change applies immediately, so your interface should shift to a darker palette right away. If it doesn't update instantly, give the page a quick refresh. You can switch back to light later using the same menu, so feel free to try it and see what feels best for you. Dark mode can reduce glare and make long sessions more comfortable, particularly in low light environments. Now let's turn on dark mode in the Dropbox desktop app. On Windows, start by clicking the Dropbox icon in your taskbar at the bottom right of your screen. If you don't see it, you may need to expand the system tray to reveal hidden icons. When the Dropbox panel opens, click your avatar in the corner of that window, then choose Preferences. In the Preferences window, go to the General tab, look for the Theme section and select Dark. You'll notice the app's interface update to the darker theme right away. This setting helps keep your desktop experience consistent with what you set on the web, and it can make text and file lists easier to read in dimmer settings. If you use the Dropbox app across devices, it's a good idea to pick the same theme in each place so your experience feels cohesive. And remember, you can always return to the same theme setting to switch back or experiment with what looks best for your workspace. If anything seems out of date, make sure your app is updated and try closing and reopening the app after you change the setting. That's it, quick, simple, and effective. You now know how to enable Dropbox dark mode on the website and in the desktop app. Thanks for watching.